most foretelling thing was A, when your paperwork changed their tune, and B, when this 20-year case, when they finally, when the same, I've seen the same so-called judge for 20 years. Again, if this were legal, what they were doing, she wouldn't have came back after your paperwork and just said, oh, you know what, we're just going to drop this, we're done with this, and then lie about it and say, well, we can't find a location for them, so we're just going to let this go. But I'm steadily getting their stuff in the mail because I was running it by you.
Information that I received changed my life. Went from having my daughter removed by her mom 800 miles away to the state of Alabama, to today I now have full custody of my daughter. You have definitely changed and impacted my life in a positive way. Thank you.
4 municipality people who work for the government who all retired within that week, the time that she initiated the legal notice to fire Pete, who's been representing me for over a year and a half. We didn't do it in a year and a half. We did this in a week. I mean, Jesus. I'm very blessed, and that's why I met Anelia.
Oh, I was back and forth with the child support company, back and forth with my employer, and then pretty soon I just said, okay, I need to find somebody. I need to find something that's going to help me out. That's going to just lay it out.
Didn't really have somebody to say, it's just me. It's me in a courtroom with a bunch of them, and you don't have that confidence. It's nobody. It's just you on your team. It's you and God for the most part. But when actually have somebody, or you learn this information, you have that knowledge and that confidence, and that's what it's about.
And I've been without my license for a couple months now, so I literally been
6 months.
Like 6 months. I've been out here literally trying to figure it out. You and I read something that was in one of them where they were like, or we were just supposed to give you your license back anyway. So it was like they try to put all of this stuff in there of why they did it, but then they tried to say, well, oh yeah, or maybe we're supposed to give it back anyway. You weren't supposed to take it in the first place. Yeah, so the legal notice, that kind of income that I had previously before getting my license taken. So it tremendously helps to have it back, and then, I can do things with my daughter, because before, it was minimal. We could go to the park, we could, probably I take her ride her bike, things of that nature. But now, I can take her back on dates. We can go and see my parents. It's more stuff that we can do now. So
you're good at what you do. You're good at what you do.
I give you the power to believe in yourself and to know that court and the court documents is nothing but a game of confidence. And that's what I do. I work on you. I work on your confidence. That knowledge, and you get that confidence, no one can take that away from you. And that's what I want.